Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add apps to your desktop in Windows 11. Now first of all, these are the only icons that I have here. Now if I want to add a new apps, let's go ahead and click the Windows icon and then click all here, and then you have all the sorts of applications you have. Now if say for example you're going to add one, say for example mail, I'm just going to drag this and then just put it here or drop it here, and as you can see that has been added. Now, what if, say, for example, this is a desktop icon? So that's also possible. So let's go ahead and type here desktop icon. Themes and related settings are going to pop up. Let's open that one and you should be able to see it here. So as of the moment, if say for example, I want to add computer and then network, that's possible. So let's go ahead and hit apply, hit OK, close this one, and you can see that network, this PC has been added. So yeah, again, everybody, that's how you're going to add apps to your desktop in Windows 11.